Hello, YouTube world. I'm Andrew.
I'm Victor.
I'm John Johnson from Wisconsin.
And this is Whiskey.
Wings.
Wreckords.
See, we're going to come on here once in a while. We're going to review different whiskey wings and records for you. So, today we're going to start with an American classic, the good old-fashioned...
Is this a classic?
I don't know if it's classic. I don't care if it's classic. It's Knob Creek from Kentucky. Right?
It's 30 seconds in. We're already giving the audience misinformation. Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is Knob Creek. We're going to review that. Future episodes, we're going to review other whiskeys, probably more bourbons to start out with, different wing places. During this quarantine, we're probably going to do some like takeout wings and some musical experiences for you guys. Something you never asked for, right? But you're going to love.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, we're probably going to start reviewing guns on this channel, so you better love it.
Nice.
Just drink the goddamn whiskey.
He's not kidding. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, Peanut Gallery's speaking that.
Yeah, they got this down. But
I like the white void we have back here.
No, it's good. It's good. We couldn't afford a green screen, so
White screen.
it's just a white screen.
Drywall.
It's like White Snake, you know, a band from the 80s, but a screen. But not because it's a wall.
But
That wasn't funny.
That wasn't good at all.
Anyway, on to the whiskey.
Oh yeah, so another thing for this video is we aren't sponsored by anyone. So I mean, we aren't sponsored by anyone, and here, let's read the back of this bottle because I'm sure you really care. Government warning: according to the Surgeon General, women should not drink alcoholic beverages during pregnancy because of the risk of birth defects. Consumption of alcoholic beverages impairs the ability to drive a car or operate machinery and may cause health problems.
I think in Australia they have like a bad like dead liver on the back of it or something like that. Like they have in like cigars and stuff, cigarettes and stuff like that.
They do that for cigarette packs. I don't know. It's an interesting idea, right? But yeah, let's get to this. Figure out how to open it.
You're not gonna pour him?
No.
Oh, we all pour ourselves, huh?
Pouring ourselves,
Okay.
But
Yeah. We all have to be our own bartenders right now.
This is America, so we're like self-sustaining, right?
God, it's a lot.
This is like what I drink on a nightly basis, like before I go to bed.
Alright, before you go to bed.
I don't know, a few hours.
Yeah. So, like Mr. John Johnson said, we're here in Wisconsin. Not really Kentucky. Kentucky's a nice place, though.
I mean, you can't tell by Green Bay Packers, Milwaukee Brewers,
And Victor.
and Victor. Yes, and Victor, our resident Wisconsin mascot right here.
Look at the Wisconsin sunburn.
That's what the state's known for.
Yeah, pretty much. All right, so let's get some aromas on this.
Supposed to like inhale it or something.
Cool.
Oh god, that burned.
It has a very
No, it didn't really burn.
didn't really burn, but it has a very acidic kind of smell to it, right? What do you think?
Smell that says you should drink it and it's gonna do no damage to you whatsoever.
I didn't smell it. Should probably smell it first.
You can't smell.
I can't smell.
You can't smell.
It's not sudden.
What smells do you get off it though?
Okay.
You know that stuff like
Yeah.
you know
Yeah,
when you,
because I don't know.
scrape your knee and it's bleeding and they pour that stuff on it to clean it.
Antiseptic.
Yeah, it smells like antiseptic. That's awesome.
Smells like
A little bit of maple.
smells like middle school lunchroom.
$60 bourbon, everyone, and it smells like antiseptic.
That's the
Anti
way
what?
to do it.
We might get sponsored by this guys at this rate.
They're gonna love us.
Yeah.
All right, now let's give it a little taste here.
It actually kind of goes nice with the chocolate chip cookie I just had.
I bet it does. Feels good with the tequila.
Next video we'll be doing pairings: chocolate chip cookie and Knob Creek. That's the way to do
We
it.
should dunk him.
We should,
Oh,
any
doesn't
snob
fit
that's
in
watching
this
this
one.
channel is going to be hating on us.
Oh,
no.
we just got a special delivery.
We got a special delivery. if anyone's not familiar with Quick Trip, also not sponsored, they are amazing. And these cookies are from Quick Trip, right? So if you're not from like Wisconsin, Minnesota, or Iowa, take a vacation just to go to Quick Trip. It's so worthwhile. So well, we aren't going to dip them. That's a horrible idea.
Do it.
It's not gonna work, man. None of these would actually work.
You gotta take these.
We're pairing, right? So you eat it and then
We're pairing, right? Let's... Mm-hmm. Not bad. Holy crap.
Right?
They have, I think this bourbon has a little, like, more of a maple type flavor to it. Like Lava does, maple and oak, but not as much as, like, Maker's Mark or something like that.
I don't like put a lot of wood in my mouth, so I really don't know, like, the different varieties.
Yeah, I don't know. Like the dog chewing trees, right?
Yes, I did that once, and I was really concerned.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Just... Sometimes I feel like you have to look at life through other species' perspective, right?
yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
But, yeah, good cookies and good, decent bourbon. Kind of complex. It's not like so much a. It's definitely not like something you can just like chug or. I don't think you'd take a shot of this.
No.
You just don't want to inhale through your nose when you do it.
Mm.
Oh, you don't want to take a shot.
Sweet Jesus.
This is how it gets up in the morning.
This is what happens. We're all well. Us two aren't, but
That was a bad idea.
So, in the pure jackass reflection, we probably all have to do that now.
all right, let's go.
Yep.
Do I have to do it at the same time?
Yep. Uh-huh.
Okay.
Don't get that all over my kitchen.
I win!
Oh, you were definitely right. I was not.
I win!
I'll stick with the the green shit that's in there.
Oh.
Have the cookie with it. Oh, you ate your cookie. Oh, that's sad.
No, I still.
Oh, okay. It's hidden.
I was
between
keeping
your,
it safe
between your butt
under-
cheeks.
Yeah.
Oh, ball sack.
Oh,
That was pretty good.
Yeah, that burnt like hell.
Burgle or the chicken?
You need like a toothbrush. Is that the real rocker way to brush your teeth? With some
Yeah.
whiskey, just plug it in there.
Jack Daniels specifically.
There you go. Yes.
Yeah, but that's it's just like in honor of Lemmy, right?
You're gonna sound like Lemmy if we keep doing that.
Rushed pepperonis.
Mm.
Oh, dude. This other episode, they should every bourbon, we should see what it's like to gurgle it.
What's a good idea?
Yeah.
So, this one it just burns. I really
It burns when you gargle, but otherwise when you drink it, it's good. Gargle, no, not a good idea. But
Yeah, so this is from Claremont. Let's see. Should we see where Claremont is on the map? So I can see where these guys
They
are.
can't Google that.
No, Claremont, Kentucky.
he's web searching it, not Googling it. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, we're not sponsored.
Yep.
For some reason.
If it's going on YouTube, I mean, I don't know.
Oh, Claremont.
Claremont.
Damn it, Kentucky.
So is Knob Creek like it must be a place, right? Come on. Like a bunch of doorknobs and a river.
So if anyone cares, it's actually... Oh my god. So it's just south of Louisville.
Oh, right.
So actually the drive that we took from Wisconsin to Nashville last summer, we probably passed through it on the interstate, actually.
Mm.
That's neat. Actually, I know Louisville, they have Maker's Mark has tours there and some of that. Fascinating place, right?
They really leave their mark.
They really leave their mark, yeah. Oh.
Oh, crummy go.
Yeah, that's a crummy joke. As the cookie crumbles, they say.
We lost half our viewers with those two lines.
No, it's pretty good.
Nope.
Yeah. Well, do you guys have anything to add to this situation?
I don't know. What about records?
Records. Yeah, I mean, please comment. The one person that's going to watch this, let us know, like, if there's any, like, whiskeys or wings or records he wants to review, you know?
And if any of this video made you uncomfortable, please comment which parts did so we can keep doing it.
Yeah, we're all about making you uncomfortable here.
Oh, cool! We hit the 10-minute mark, man. Right on.
Well, that's amazing. Well, in that, let's do a quick toast to whiskey, wings, and records.
Wreckords.
Wreckords.